Here.
Don't! Jesus Christ, woman, what are you trying to do? You're giving me a heart
What the
attack.
fuck are you doing?
What? Having a mini heart attack?
No.
Sure,
What
Jesus,
are you doing
wait a
with that
minute.
knife now?
I was making a sandwich. Then you come up
With a
behind me.
knife like that?
Well, what's this, a butter knife?
It's not a butter
That's a
knife.
butter knife.
It's not a butter
That's
knife.
a large butter
It's
knife.
not. And you're brandishing it at me.
And you came up behind me.
Brandishing
You came
it.
up behind me and scared the
You're
bollocks.
brandishing a knife
You
at me.
realise you could have been a burglar. I could have just went, ha! And
Obviously I am a burglar.
don't ever sneak up on me again.
What are you
I'm
doing?
making a sandwich. Could you leave me alone for 5 minutes?
No, you're making an egg sandwich.
I'm making an egg sandwich.
Why is the egg raw and still in its shell?
That's how you make an egg sandwich.
No, it's not.
This is how you make an egg sandwich. I've seen you make an egg sandwich.
I've never made an egg sandwich
You've
like
made an egg
that, man.
sandwich like this. I've seen you making it.
No, I haven't.
Because you wouldn't cook for me yesterday. You weren't cooking for me the
Because you're a dirty freeloader.
Hold on a second here, freeloader. You're getting awful smart with yourself now, right? You know that.
You're a dirty freeloader.
I tell you what, I don't need you. I don't need you to cook for me. I can make my own.
But you'll use the stuff I've paid for to cook though, won't you?
That's not the point. That's not the point.
Is it
The point
not?
of the
Is it
matter
not the point?
The point of the matter is, I am here too, and I should be entitled to make myself a sandwich.
No.
Yes.
So you're making it right now then?
Yes, I'm making it right now.
Really?
Yes,
And
there's
you
no
think
problem with that.
you think you're competent in making a sandwich?
Yes, I'm very confident to make the sandwich.
Well, let's see then. Let's see how this works out.
I'm just getting the old butter out, and Jesus Christ. See, I'm just getting the old butter out there, Make myself a cup of tea, You get the oil out there, you slap it there, you see, you're watching, you see. You put it there, and oh, Jesus, I broke the blade. And you get it there, and oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, God.
You're a
sandwich.
fucking fool.
Oh, my sandwich.
You're a fool.
You're sure way you're scaring the bollocks out of me.
You're an old fool.
Look, you just tried my
What
kettle.
have you got?
Look
That's
at my
not
kettle.
your kettle. You have made
Bag. Here, tell you what, woman, I get knife there, man. Go on.
No,
Go on.
no.
You messed me up. I've got egg in my hand
You're
now.
ruining my fucking kitchen.
Never
now,
mind, your
because
kitchen.
you're
Go
an
on.
old,
Just
dirty
get
fool.
Go on.
You're a dirty old fool.
Not me, woman. My kettle. Oh, look at my kettle. She's just straight. My tear bags. Are you still working? Well, go on and back it off. Go on, get out of here.